Hello, everyone. This is a quick video. I wanted to give some updates on my results with List Infinity. And not only that, I'm going to go over how this can easily allow you to start building your business. I've been promoting this now for about 3 weeks, and I'm excited about it, mainly because if you are having problems with getting leads online or building a list because the money is in a list, the money is in a follow-up, you can easily do that with this viral system. And what I love about it is that it doesn't take much to set up your account. It's not a really long process. And not only that, I'm starting to actually get some results with this. Now, this is not a get rich quick overnight. I haven't gotten massive results where I'm making like thousands of dollars a day, but I just want to show you by putting in a little bit of work, how easy it is to start producing some type of results and actually being able to scale up your results as you get more people to join this opportunity. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, every time I get a payment, it comes to my my email. And so far, like today I had a payment here from Benjamin for $100. Congratulations and thanks so much for joining. It is a one-time payment of $100 to join, but you can come in as a free member to test it out, and then you can upgrade. As a free member, you cannot start earning with the system, but you can set up your system to see how easy it is and actually start bringing in some results. So right below this video is the link. You click here to start your free account. You would put in your name, your email, make sure that it's referred by myself. And then from here, you will get your login details, and then you will get instant access. So once you get access to the system, you're going to see this. It's not going to have the pro training videos until you upgrade, but it'll tell you here that I'm your sponsor. And then you'll have your referral link. So this referral link is what brings people right to your sales page, and they will see this information about how to start getting leads and using this viral email system to start building your list. Okay. So down here, these are a ton of results that people are getting. We do have a Facebook group where people are posting their results and how they've been doing over the weeks. You can get into that Facebook group for free. And then as you come down here, it also has 13 high converting capture pages that you can use. Okay. So I highly recommend to use them as much as you want. And then they also added 2 additional capture pages that they just came with that you can use. One of the things I have to say is when you are connecting your system, you do not have to connect the capture pages. Once you connect your autoresponder, you automatically see this information in your back office to start using. So once you pick the capture page that you want to use, you are going to need Aweber or GetResponse for your autoresponder. They have it where you can set up a free account, and you're going to get step-by-step directions on how to connect your Aweber to your link. Okay, so that when people come to your capture page, everything is all set to go. Not only that, when you upgrade to the pro membership, you're going to get a free vacation to 125 different locations. You can pick wherever you would like to stay. And again, this comes to you free at no additional charge as a pro member. The only thing that you will be responsible for is your airfare. Okay, so in 3 simple steps, you're going to set up the system, select the lead page, and promote your link. And they're going to show you step by step how to promote your link, and you can use free traffic or paid traffic. And the paid traffic is extremely affordable if you decide to use it, and they're using top-rated solo ad sellers. So these are going to be some solo ad sellers that you've never seen before, never heard of before, and it's going to be at a reasonable price where you can consistently buy traffic and start building your list. Okay, so now going back to here, I had $100 payment coming from here. I just sent over through my PayPal account, because you can connect your PayPal or your Stripe. So with my PayPal account, I sent over $390 today. Give me 1 second here. Let's just see what else I had. I think I had another $100 payment that came in yesterday or the day before yesterday. Okay, so I've been really promoting this not as much as I normally would, because I am currently promoting another opportunity. But again, I think that this is extremely newbie friendly, and it'll be something that can help a lot of people to start building an email list without going over a whole lot of stuff to do it. So here is another payment that I received, and this was December 10th, which was two days ago. Okay. And then if we go into my PayPal account, I also had a couple of $100 payments come in through PayPal as well. So as you can see here, I transferred $390 over to my my bank account, and December 9th, I had a $100 payment that came in through here as well. So this is paying out consistently. It is a great opportunity and a way to get started, especially if you need something that's newbie friendly. But if you're looking for something long-term to build a list over the next year to couple years, you can do so with this platform. Aweber and GetResponse is not going anywhere. They've been around forever. And once you have the training, you can use this training over and over again to start earning a consistent income. So if you want more information, in the description below is the link right below this video. If you want to reach out to me, you can also do so, and I'll be willing to help you get set up. So thank you so much for reaching out and watching this video. If you have any questions, I am a real person. I'm here to help people to build an income from home. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you another day, another time in another video. Bye-bye.